We start today chapter 18, which is graphs. And this is a very important part of mathematics because you will use it in different subjects as physics, you see, and chemistry, and a lot of things like that. But especially in physics and in chemistry, you will use it a lot, especially when you have a set of data and you want to plot it as a line. And in this chapter, we will deal basically with the equation of a line or a straight line, let's say. And normally, the equation of a straight line should be in the form y is equal to ax plus c. It means y is equal to a coefficient or a number times x plus c. C is a number, so given number. And it's a relationship between the coordinates of points, okay? So the line is a group of points that the coordinates of each point verify this relationship or this link between the first coordinate and the second coordinate. Now, if I would like to draw a line like that, for example, I would like to draw y is equal to 2x plus 1, I just need to get the coordinates of 2 points on that line. For example, I will take x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, if I will substitute in this expression, I will get that it's 2 times 0, which is 0 plus 1. So y is equal to 1. So this is the first point. The coordinate for that point is 0, 1. If I will take, for example, x is equal to 1, substitute in here, I will get 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 1 is 3. So the second coordinate, or the y coordinate, is equal to 3. So taking these 2 points, 0, 1 and 1, 3, I know that those are on the line. So just plot in these 2 points on the grid like that. 0, 1 and 1, 3, and linking those together, I will get the representation of this line, or I will get the graph of that line directly. Right, so this is how you plot it. It's easy, it's not that complicated. Just 2 points, it's sufficient, okay? 2 points are great to get you a nice line. Sometimes you will need a third point to confirm that you got it correct. The 3 points need to be on the same line. Now, if you look at these 2 graphs, for example, 2 lines, you will see that both of them are sloping, but one is steeper than the other one, okay? And you can see that one is going down and one is going up when the value of x is getting bigger, okay? So this is the value of x getting bigger, and you need to compare these two going from the left to the right. So this one is going down from left to right, and this one is going up from left to right. So to describe a line, you just need to describe its steepness, and to describe that, you just need to get the value of the gradient. All right, so what is a gradient? The gradient is the link between what is happening to the y coordinates in link with the x coordinate. Okay, it's the ratio of the change in the y coordinate and x coordinate. Right, so to find the gradient, you just need to pick 2 points on that line and apply the formula here. So imagine I have the 2 points A and B. I need to read the coordinates of these points and then apply the formula here. So I have, for example, for the first one, I have the coordinates A and B. So this point, the coordinate for this point are 0, -2. And for this point is 3, 0, right? So if I would like to apply it here, let me write it. So applying it for the red graph, for the green graph, I'm sorry. For the green graph, it will be YB, YB minus YA. So YB is equal to 0. So YB is equal to 0. And it should be divided by XB minus XA. And here, be careful, because whatever you started with, the coordinate, whatever point you started with, you need to carry on and start with the same point in the denominator, okay? Imagine I started with A in the upper part, I need to start with A in the down part, right? So YB is equal to 0. So 0 minus YA is equal to -2. So minus -2, like that, divided by xb is equal to 3 and xa is equal to 0. So minus 0, like that. I will put it between brackets. So just calculating that, you will get that it's equal to 2, since 0 minus -2 is equal to 2 divided by 3. So the gradient for this one is equal to 2 over 3. And this is how you describe it, okay? And this is why the gradient is positive. This is why it's growing, okay? The values of y are growing. If we go from left to right in the values of x, right? So this is for the green one. If I will do the same thing for, let's say, for the red graph. So for the red graph, this one, I will apply it. So I will take 2 points here. The first point is 0, 3, this is C, and the second point is D, 2, -1. So if I will apply them, I will have it like that. Well, I'm taking my time to write everything for you. So I will do C minus, minus YD. So this is divided by XC minus XD. And YC, so YC is equal to, this is a point C if you didn't see it. So the point YC is equal to 3. So 3 minus 3 minus YD is equal to -1, so minus -1, so it will be -1, like that. And this is divided by XC is equal to 0 minus XD is equal to 2. Right, so it will be 3 minus -1, so it's 4, divided by 0 minus 2 is -2. So 4 divided by -2 is -2. So this is exactly what I got here, okay? So for the green line, or for the red line, the gradient is 2 over 3, and for the red line, it's -2. So this is what you need to do to get the gradient, right? So, okay, let's carry on. All right, so you just need to put in mind that if the gradient is negative, you expect a line like that going down. And if you have a positive gradient, you expect a line going up like that. All right, so imagine, I will take another example here. Imagine I have a straight line graph goes through the points 2, 0, 5, and 6, 2. They gave you the coordinates here, and they ask you to find the graph, find the gradient for the graph. So I just need to apply the formula. Well, to be honest, there is no need for you to plot or to draw the line. But yeah, let's have fun. So just plot in the 2 points here. I have 0, 5, and the second point is 6, 2. Just joining the 2, I will get the line. And then I just need to apply the formula there. So I have the 2 points here. So the first coordinate, so I have YA, it's 5, minus YB, it's 2, so 5 minus 2. The second coordinate minus second coordinate, divided by the first coordinate, 0, minus the first coordinate is 6. So since I started by A, I will carry on with A in the second part. So 3 divided by negative 6. And I can simplify by 3. So the gradient should be negative 1 over 2. I'm not surprised that I got a negative gradient since the line is going down like that. Right. So I hope this was helpful for you. Just to verify that you watched this video, please, when you send your homework, type the first letter of your name. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and see you during the Zoom session. Bye-bye.